Do you know what the best type of life insurance policy to have is? That's today's insurance question, so stick around. How's it going, everyone? I'm Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance, and today we're going to tell you, well, what type of life insurance is the best to have? Do you know? Is it term? Is it whole life? Is it universal life? Is it any other type of life insurance that you might be aware of? Is it through your job? Is it through a policy that you bought on your own? Well, it's a little bit of a trick question, and the answer to that question is whichever one you have when you die. I could have probably been a little nicer how I said that, but honestly, whatever life insurance policy you have when you kick the bucket, well, that's the one that you want to have, and that's going to be the best, because guess what? That's the one that's going to pay you money. Obviously, I'm not looking for that to happen for you, and I'm sure you're not looking for that to happen to you. So it's something that you don't necessarily want to think about, but it's the honest to God truth. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you that one is better than the other. Obviously, depending upon your situation, one type of policy might work better given your specific objectives, but ultimately know that the purpose, the main goal of life insurance is to protect your family, your loved ones, from your outstanding financial commitments, from any financial hardships due to your passing or untimely passing. And that's the primary goal. Or you can also obviously have it serve to leave a nice chunk of change around for your spouse or for your second generation of little ones that are scampering around right now, to just, hey, say, here, here's a present from grandpa, here's a present from dad, whatever, you know, just a nice little gesture. That's available too. Entirely up to you, but those are really the two primary functions. Of course, we can get tricky and fancy and all insurance-y on you and, you know, tell you a million different ways to do it. And if you want to, we can do that. But, you know, right now, that's the most important thing to know about the best type of life insurance. The other question that you have to ask yourself is, well, how long do you plan on being dead? It's a pretty terrible question to ask, but guess what? You need to plan for however long you want to prepare for that money to be around, because you're going to be dead for a long time, probably forever. You know, science and everything, well, it might not be forever, but let's just plan on forever for right now, and we'll come back to it later if we, you know, it's not the case. Obviously, if you have any specific life insurance questions that you want to talk to me about, feel free to reach out to me, you know, through an email, pick up the phone, give me a call. However you want to get in touch, be happy to listen to your situation and see how we might be able to help you out. So, but of course, I am Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance. Take it easy, everyone. You know, the question you asked